it's your girl Tasha with Sneaker Summit. Olympics are in full swing, so today we're gonna preview the Ewing Athletics Eclipse Pack. Alright y'all, these babies just dropped. First time they've been released since the 1992 Dream Team days when Patrick Ewing won the gold in Barcelona. This is the limited edition gold one. We also have the OG whites and the black colorways. Also inside you get a gold medal. So you could be like Michael Phelps out there. Alright y'all, each shoe comes in this special edition Olympic packaging. Inside with the 1992 paper. And then on the side, we got Patrick Ewing dunking on them hoes. All the shoes are available at sneakersummit.com or the new Sneaker Summit storefront at 3814 South Shepherd Drive. Thanks so much for tuning in. Make sure you check us out on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook. We're on it all. Sneaker Summit. Thanks.